Hey guys, so this is my first official YouTube videos, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make mini churros. Right now I'm showing you the ingredients that you will need. I will also put it down in the description box. So you will need flour, water, olive oil, vanilla, egg, salt, sugar, and butter. So now you're going to take a pot on medium heat. You're going to start adding your flour, your water, your butter, your salt, and lastly your sugar. You're gonna then start mixing until you have a thick consistency. It kind of looks like Play-Doh. As you can see here, I'm showing you how it should be looking. You're then going to transfer into a bowl so that it can cool down. I put it in the freezer to speed up the process, and I kind of squished it down so it's kind of flat. After it has completely cooled down, I'm going to start adding the vanilla, and I'm going to also add 2 eggs. After mixing that up, I'm going to start prepping the piping bag. So what you're going to do is cut the tip off and add the tip, and then it's all ready for you to add the mixture in. I inserted a picture of how the piping bag should look. At medium to low heat, add oil to a pan and start piping up your batter. Once they look like this, take them out. It should look like this when it's done. To make the coat, you will need sugar and cinnamon. You're now going to put it in a bowl and mix it together. I'm now putting a couple of churros into the coat and mixing it up. Well, shaking it up. And these are how your churros should look at the end. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video.